Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day today. So today's video was actually supposed to be a clean slash organization of Toya's fridge, but you guys already know Toya doesn't do that type of stuff on her channel. So you guys are not gonna see the details that I would normally share when it comes to my house, but nevertheless you get to see the before and after of her fridge. I know a lot of you guys were saying that I should offer organization. I'm just gonna be honest. Toya's house wasn't dirty, it was just not organized. Meaning, I'm sure you guys know, she gets a lot of PR packages, from facial stuff to makeup to lippies and all that stuff. And some of the things she just wasn't going to use anyway. So when I went to her house to visit her, I was like, girl, you need to organize, like legit organize. And again, first she was against it, but then the next day she was like, hey, do you want to go to Container Store? And I'll do it, that's fine. And so we got to organizing everything and putting everything in its place. One thing about me is I can smile even when I'm in the most uncomfortable situation, but when it comes to someone being dirty, I cannot smile, and my face tends to tell exactly how I'm feeling, and I never want to make anyone feel uncomfortable in their own home. This is why organization and cleaning just wouldn't be something that I could do professionally, just because I don't even know how I would be able to like, yes, because I'd be like, So Toya has a cleaning person. Matter of fact, she was actually there the day that I was organizing the bathroom. So I did not clean Toya's house. All I did was organize her stuff. And actually she was there helping also because I wanted her to be very hands-on. That way she would know where everything was at and pretty much leaving everything in their current space, just making sure it was nice and tidy. And it's been about a week and a half since I've done that, and it's still clean. So I have no interest, I'm sorry, I have no interest in doing it professionally. Somebody said, you didn't put any labels, and I was like, I am not an organization person. Again, I'm not here for the labels. I have a label machine, and literally, like, I have to blow off the cobwebs on it because I just can't. I really can't. I have labels for my baskets in my pantry and I still haven't put them on. It's not something that I deem like, well, it's not something that I'm passionate about, but I think it's necessary, especially when you have kids, to at least attempt to get organized. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys her fridge, and then you guys, again, like I said, you'll see the before and the after. But I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you guys back shortly. So when it came to the fridge organization, we did not go into Container Store. What we did was visit a couple of the TJ Maxx home goods slash home goods stores to find the organization system. This just kind of works for us. And like I said, Toya was definitely hands-on in this, and I think she enjoyed it, even though initially she wasn't with it. I think once we got the bathroom together, she was really excited about moving into other areas of her house. Once we got back to the house, what I started doing is taking all of the labels off. And let me just say, if you happen to visit Home Goods or TJ Maxx, I believe the brand is called iCore. I really love this. One, the acrylic storage, they just seemed a little bit heavier. They're stackable. And on top of that, removing the labels were really easy. What was difficult was really the home goods labeling, but the label from the company itself was really easy, and I loved it because it didn't leave that sticky goo, and you definitely did not need any glue gone to remove any of the labeling. Once I was able just to peel the corner, it just slid off with ease. I highly recommend that if you're in the process of organizing, whether it's your fridge or your bathroom, that you check out Home Goods to find that core brand. Not only is it well made, but the price is also right. And there goes Samia. She was definitely helpful also. She saw me pulling up all the stickers and she wanted to help, so I let her help. My boys are actually there now. They're running around with Zane in and out the house, and then Toya is fixing some dinner so that way we can have something to eat. Because we had pretty much been out most of the morning just trying to find different systems for the house in general, just to kind of get things in a more well working order for her. But pretty much what you're gonna just see us taking all the labels off right now.
Everything that we've been through has made us strong. You won't believe we've had our gray, but somewhere there's a light inside of us. It shows the way. Not looking for no heaven or gold, 'cause I got you. I got you. Don't wanna show us off, but you're my all that I need. Trying to sugar coat, but I'm flying so high. I don't even know if I'm coming down. You rock my boat when you hold me so tight. The world just disappears in front of my eyes. I'm telling you why, this ain't no madness. The smoke and the mirrors are memories now. The sun's gone down like a river rushing way up above. This ain't, yeah, this ain't no.
I'm sure this process looks very familiar to you guys because I've done this several times already in my home. But what I did was pull every single one of the racks out, including the drawers. And as I pulled them out, Toya was on the other side washing everything. And then pretty much once she got done, I dried everything off and put it back in the fridge. This was just to get everything clean so we could put everything back in place. And like I said, everyone in the house got involved, which was really, really great. Now, this isn't anything fancy. It isn't all, overboard or anything like that. It was just to set things up. I'm going to show you guys just a picture of the before, and then here is a look at the after. The fridge looks really, really good, you guys, and I think this is going to be an easy upkeep. I didn't do anything extravagant. In my personal opinion, it looks like an everyday type of fridge that you can use for a family. So I think something that can definitely be kept up. And again, the bonus is everything was affordable, you guys. I didn't show you guys a door because that really wasn't my focus. I just wanted her to have access to the middle part, showing her how to use the stackable storages, which was so handy in keeping the things and using as much of the linear space in the fridge as possible, and then putting the kids' items in small compartments. I think this was just going to be an easy system, so when you go grocery shopping, you already know where everything goes. I'm sure she might change this in the future to work better for her, but I pretty much just kind of organized it to the best of what I was seeing in the fridge at the current time. And again, I think Toya was very appreciative of the process, so I am very happy that everyone was happy. All right, you guys, so that's pretty much it for the video. So again, I've gone to Toya's house a number of times just to stop by and say hello when I'm in Atlanta, or me and her would catch up, or whatever the case may be. And we probably speak on the phone every other day of her asking me like, Nadia, what do I do this? If you follow her on Instagram, her gallery wall, we were on the phone for 2 hours and I was like, Toya, get the brown paper, do the measurements, hang it up. Because when I was there helping her, she was just kind of like not really knowing like exactly what she wanted, and I didn't want to put anything in her that she wasn't like in love with. So I opted for us to kind of hold off on the design of her home. Yeah, I was able to organize her master in her fridge. What I did was I just kind of set the fridge up so she can have a place for like her meal plans. She can have a place for the kids things, the fruits and the vegetables and things like that. Hopefully from this video you guys could see it's just easy. Now it does get a little expensive trying to organize a lot of spaces, but she was actually ready to organize, so it wasn't a big deal. But if you're doing this at home, the biggest tip that I can probably give to you is work the space slowly. Like maybe do your fridge first and then move to the bathroom and then move to the kids room and then move to other areas. Don't try to do it all at once because it does get expensive. But it's a week later and she's like, Nadia, look, I'm keeping it clean, I'm keeping it organized. So I think once you kind of get into it and do it, I think it's really good, and it has nothing to do with being domesticated, okay? It just helps to help run your day a little bit smoother. Is that the word? I think so. Whatever, if it's not, it's okay. Oh, sorry, anyway. Anyway, you guys have a really, really great one. I will see you guys next time. Bye. Oh, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I think that's it. Okay, bye.